All right, people, so it's the 29th. So Puke Energy keeps cooking up these big fucking rain bombs out of the Marshall steam station. Kentucky was flooded out by the E.W. Brown power plant and the Cooper power plant in Somerset, Kentucky. They both have massive wet surface air coolers on the property, which they have no business having those because they have cooling towers there for the coal. So it's light to the left, light to the dark, and right over top of the steam station, it's a shit show. You can't make this crap up. It's a fucking crime. You're gonna tell me these assholes at that plant don't know what's going on? You see this tree right here? When I came home from the bar last night, it was laying across the road because of a rain bomb yesterday. When you have a rain bomb, you have savage fucking winds. Remember, the rain pushes a freight train, a wall of wind in front of it as it's coming down. Follow any radar dark color signature down and you'll find a coal plant or wet surface air coolers, whether it be on hospitals, in the middle of fucking fields, on casinos. They're all over universities, okay? They're weather weapons. Plain and simple. Fucking nasty son of a bitch. How this crap is allowed to go on is fucking mind-blowing, you pieces of shit. Don't turn in front of me, you pecker. We'll turn in the boat ramp here and have a nice look at this. Look at this filthy son of a bitch. Unbelievable. Look at all the crap right above it. Look at the rain right behind it, to the right of it. And look at the rest of the sky. It's completely trashed. But see, it'd be lighter over here, and dark right there. There's your culprit. The Marshall fucking shit station. You can see the water rain to the right of it right there. Just freshly blasted up there. Those coal companies in Kentucky are guilty of fucking murder. They murdered people. Period. That's the end of that story. These sons of bitches need to be held accountable and shut these bastards off, or make them burn clean like they used to. You fucking pricks.